Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to your Fun Fishing Adventures channel. My name's Scotty. I'm gonna do some crappie fishing today. I'm using a little Bobby Garland. It's a shad color. I'm actually gonna try two of them, I think. Got a small bobber. It's pretty windy out here on the boat, so I don't know how well this is gonna work. I do have some minnows if I need those. So come hang out with us. Let's see what we can do. I don't know if I said where we're at, but we're on the lower Black River at Clearwater Lake. And actually this weekend will mark our first weekend, or I should say, this weekend will mark our 1-year anniversary of putting out our first real fish video. So hopefully we can do some good. Unfortunately, Shane was not able to make it today. He's out sick. So we'll make the best of it. I hope you feel better, buddy. Found our first crappie, guys. That's a great crappie to start our day. I just hooked myself. Quit. If you want off this hook to go back in the water, you better stop. I told you to stop. All right. I switched over to minnow because I wasn't doing any good on my jigs. So I'm gonna get see how big this guy is. I'm guessing he's about 11 inches. I really had no intentions of fishing in the back of the boat, but the wind won't let me go to the front. It is right at 11, maybe 11 and a half. There you go. It's first crappie of the day. I know there's more there. See you, guy. We'll get him back in the spring. Don't really have much of a reason to keep any crappie. I've got some in my freezer. So it's a good deal. I knew I'd find him here. They just didn't want those jigs. Well, I tell you what, I caught that one crappie out of this tree, and normally there's crappie here. I can't believe there's just one. Just wouldn't be right for this area. You know, the weather this morning when I got up was 60 degrees. It wasn't windy. It was a really nice day. Now it's windy. The sun's coming out, which is warming it back up, but it did cool off. So it may have them shut down just a little bit. If I don't do any good here soon, I'm gonna move over to the next tree. There's 5 or 6 trees in here that we can usually pull something off of. Remember, that doesn't work. I'm gonna go back up to the spillway where I was catching fish yesterday and see how I do there. Hooked on another one, folks. I swapped trees. And of course, the camera's turned. Here's the one I just got. You know, I bought 2 cameras because I'm like, oh, this one would work a lot better for bringing fish in. Don't do any good if you don't have it turned on. It's probably about 8 inches. Off he goes. Really need to move this camera over there if I'm going to be fishing back here, because that camera's set up better to fish up there. I'll probably do that in a minute. Alright, got us another one. I think I figured out where the crappie went. They're over here in this tree. Alright, let's check him out. I really wish I'd have bought a black bump board. About 10 3/4. Would be a keeper any day, but not today. There he goes. See if I can't catch one more fish out of this minnow. Crappie don't care if they're alive or not. If they just move, they're happy. Oh man, that's a nice fight. Oh, that's 12. That might be 13. Let's get this guy unhooked. It's a white crappie. Let's check him out. He's right at 12, guys. Look at that slab. That's a beautiful fish. I caught him a little bit farther out from where I was. I was more over here on this side of the tree. I'm time to change minnows out again. I really wouldn't mind doing this live, but if you move 2 feet one way or another, you don't have service. So we're gonna go this way. I could do raw and uncut, but I don't know what I'd say to y'all for that long. I'm not a big talker, believe it or not. Ooh. Okay, I'm not gonna measure this guy. He came off easy enough. He's a little bitty. Let's get back out there. You know, I was gonna say I can't go live, I get it. But there's no reason I can't go uncut. At least from tree to tree. So hang out, I guess something different for me. Let's see how y'all like it. And if the spot lock actually does what it's supposed to, we may stay in this area. And at this angle, you can at least see the bobber go under, maybe. Wind is brutal. Wouldn't be too bad if that wind would stop. Well, that trolling motor's up here just trying his darndest to keep us in spot. I'm kind of impressed. It's normally really crappy and it'll throw me 20 or 30 feet the other way where I'm supposed to be at. So it's doing good today. There it is. Ah! It was nice too, I could see him. Oh, get back out there, maybe he'll bite again. pretty bad. I go from a smaller boat to this nice big wide open boat, 16 foot, 7 foot wide, and I still trip over crap in here. That's why I went to a wider boat. What could it do me? None. See, there's a fish right by that lamp. And I got a mod kit on this GoPro. Because everybody's like, oh, if you get a mod kit, you don't have to worry about the wind and everything else because it's more of a directional mic. We'll see, because I've never really had the chance to use it. It's a good windy day, so we'll see how it works. My bobber's not sitting right there, it goes. There's a fish. Take it. There it is. He never did take it, he just kind of sat there and held it. But I got him in the bottom lip. Another small crappie. Y'all see that. Time for a new minnow. I've caught been over to the right side of this tree, but I'm a glutton for punishment, so I keep trying the left side of the tree because there's a fish right there. Ah, dang, he was so big I flung him out of the water. This is what's on the left side of the tree. I think I need to fish the right side. Give me my hook. This little guy can go back for another day. Now my spot looks throw me in the tree I'm fishing. There we go again. Like 5 miles an hour wind. I think the weatherman lied again. But they were calling for rain all day and then they canceled that. So watch it pour down rain. I couldn't tell. There you go. Probably 5 or 6 inches. Right there again. It might be skipjack. There are a few skipjack in here. Shane's caught one, and I've seen another guy catch one. So I know they are here. I've never caught one. I've tried. Right up underneath us is the root ball. I'm not seeing any fish on it. I got the fish finder right there, of course. That looks like that's hooked up, but it's not. There it goes. So basically, I run this little gamut of trees when I come down here. I'll start on one spot, then I'll come to this one, which I'm gonna have to put a new mint on. This guy's toast, like really bad toast. There's another one, folks. Same thing, he just started running towards the boat. Nothing great. Ah, dang, I lost my mana. All right, let me get hooked back up with a minnow. I tried this with jigs and they want to do nothing with them. Won't even touch a jig. I did find another root ball while I was bouncing around out here. It's just back here behind me a little bit. The spot lock, you know, didn't quite engage and it pushed me back there. And it looked like there was some fish on it. I'm probably going to give it a shot here in just a few minutes, just to see if there's anything biting. Looked like there were several crappie in there probably, and something bigger, so it might have been a catfish or a carp. Could have been a gar. There are paddlefish in here, spoonbill, whatever you want to call them. Those do have a season here. And boy, I want to say it's like March 15th till May 15th or something. Don't quote me on it. But you can snag. I think they got to be 32 or 34 inches in length. You really need to look those regulations up if it's something you're interested in. You're not going to get huge ones like you would at Lake of the Ozarks or someplace like that. But they are here. Actually, Shane and I seen one jump while we were out here crappie fishing one day, and I'm like, man, I didn't even know the spoonbill jumped. I thought they just stayed down at the bottom and did this all day long. So it's kind of neat to see. All right, here we go again. I keep getting these little guys, I'm gonna move on to the next tree and maybe come back. We'll get a few more casts and we'll try somewhere else. You know, hey, I'd really appreciate it if y'all like, share, and subscribe. It helps our channel out. We're really trying to get some watch hours this time. You know, our first year's up and we really want to grow. We want to give you better content. We're trying to get better video for you. So we'd appreciate your help. Share our videos, watch them. Do whatever you can. If you don't like our videos, tell us why. If you like it, say, hey, they're great and awesome. But without input from you folks, our viewers, we don't know what you want or what you don't want. And this is about you. I can fish any day and record it or not record it. It doesn't matter to me. But we want to share our experience with you. There it is. Slowly taking it under. That's a better one. Not great, it's better. Come on now. My hands are cold. Oh, and I just came untied. Didn't do a very good job there. Quit, I'll get the hook out of you. Then I'll get retied. The power of the minnow, folks. His tail's shaking in the wind, it's so windy. Alright, let me get tied back up and we'll get back to business. Alright guys, I'm all retired. Let's try this again. We know there's crappie over there. There's one right there, I think. There he is. Another small guy. My spotlight's got me pushed up on the upper end of that tree, and that's where I've been catching these small ones. Let's see what we can find. There's got to be some, you know, we know there's bigger ones over there. Just getting through the small ones. Man, there's just a ton of crappie down below me. Oh, here's one right here. Got him in the bottom lip. They always say I gotta smile more. I'm not a smiley kind of guy. I wish I was. There you go. This time of year, there's no place to get bait down here. The local bait stores are closed just because they're not that busy. So this is when they take their vacation. I don't know what the hell that was right there. I don't know if I got that on video or not. But I'd sure be interested to see what it was. Excuse my language. That just kind of really caught me off guard. It was big and it was brown and it was under the water. And I think it's probably way too cold for turtles to be out. Water temperature is 45 degrees. I guess maybe it could have been a beaver or something. Come on, spot lock. I'm gonna watch that video and see if I can't see what that was. It may have swum up there and I didn't see it. It went underwater right there. So I was full of that minnow. Now about this area I'm fishing now is where I've been catching those bigger crappie. You know, guys, the funny thing is I'm on my feet all day at work. My body don't hurt me. But when I just stand here in one spot, or I'm trying to stand on the bank, it just tears me up. I surely don't know why. I didn't know this guy was on here. Open up. There you go. Let's get her back out. Use this dead man to see if I can't get something to bite on it. Edit that spot. Missed him. Learn how to cast. Angle up here. There we go. which I am not a lot of the times. I just get a clip and clip off this branch, and I wouldn't have to worry about it. Then I want to move back and forward. This guy's not that smart. Not like I don't have clamps at home. Why do something simple? There's another one, guys. This gets smaller and smaller. This would be catfish candy for somebody. We can't use these in Missouri for bait. For somebody, Stacy over at Bank Fishing Adventures could use that. Wish we could. We have way too many small crappie in our lakes. Ah, missed that guy. He just had my minnow in his mouth. I don't think we're gonna get out of these tanks now. So we're gonna catch one or two more and then we're gonna call it a video. So hang out, just a couple more, guys. Maybe only one. My hands are getting cold. And just so y'all know, we're fishing in like 8 to 10 foot of water, and I'm probably 3 to 4 foot deep. I'm gonna bait back up. Be right back. There's another one. That's another tink. Alright, when this minnow goes, we're going. Ain't no sense in just sitting there catching these little bitty guys. I mean, they're fun, don't get me wrong. I'd much rather be using my ultralight rod, but I've got a jig on it, and I don't want to change it out. There's another one. I think it was. I could have been wrong. It could have been the wind just grabbing my line. That minnow looked like it was messed up too. Hey, all right, guys. Thank you all for watching your Fun Fishing Adventures channel. I'm going to call it a day. Well, not really a day, but at least a break time. I'm going to go ahead and probably do another video if I can. I'm going to do some bank fishing. Then I'm going to try to bank fish a pond. So thank you all for coming out. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.